In this video, I'll show you how to create a glitch effect in DaVinci Resolve. First, make sure you are in the Edit tab. Then, go to the Effects library and search for Adjustment Clip. Drag and drop it onto the timeline above your video clip. Now, move your cursor to the edge of the adjustment clip and drag to change its duration. Position it exactly where you want the glitch effect to begin. Next, go back to the Effects library and search for Glitch. Drag and drop the digital glitch effect onto the adjustment clip. Once applied, you can fine-tune the effect in the Inspector panel under the Effects tab. Here, you will find several parameters you can adjust. You can change the glitch position by moving it left, right, up, or down. You can adjust the width of the glitch rectangles, making them wider or narrower. You can also adjust the height to change how stretched the effect appears. The Glitch Chroma Scale allows you to modify the color separation, increasing or decreasing the distortion between blue, green, and red. You can experiment with these settings to create different styles of glitch effects. Once you have adjusted the parameters, play back the clip to see how the effect loops. That's all you need to apply a digital glitch effect in DaVinci Resolve.